The word psychic comes from the Greek word psychikos, which means of the mind or mental. The word first appeared in 1871 and was first recorded in 1895. The general understanding of a person who claims to be a psychic is one who uses extrasensory perception to identify information hidden from the normal senses, things such as telepathy or clairvoyance. The perception and understanding that the scientific community excludes or disavows the study of psychic phenomena is erroneous. Parapsychology is the scientific study that focuses on neuroexceptional phenomena, such as extrasensory perception, telepathy, precognition, mind-matter interactions. The legitimacy of parapsychology as a scientific field is underscored by the depth of discipline and accountability. Far from being a pseudo-scientific endeavor, modern parapsychology is characterized by adherence to the scientific method and a commitment to transparent, replicable research.
I personally prefer to do triple-blind experiments and write the hypotheses that you think you're testing and circulate that not only to people who are supportive of what you're doing, but also people who are in opposition. That is, we question, and that's the reason you do experiments. Deniers are people who fundamentally just, this can't be true because it can't be true.
Parapsychologists conduct experiments with defined hypotheses, rigorous methodologies, and statistical analysis. The results of these studies are published in reputable scientific journals and subject to peer review, showcasing the field's commitment to empirical evidence and falsifiability. This approach sets parapsychology apart from what is pseudoscience. Pseudoscience, as defined, is a wide array of statements, beliefs, or practices that claim to be both scientific and factual, but are incompatible with the scientific method. The critical issue with pseudoscience is that it often lacks the fundamental attribute of falsifiability. In contrast to genuine science, where hypotheses can be tested and, if necessary, rejected, pseudoscientific claims often resist falsification.
In fact, I will say, as a statistician, I've consulted in a lot of different areas of science. The methodology and the controls in these experiments are much tighter than any other area of science where I've worked.
My background is in experimental psychology and neuroscience. And what we want to do is to study things that are going on in the brain and body when people are succeeding at controlled psi tasks of various kinds. The stuff that we study challenges deeply held beliefs of many mainstream scientists. And some can tolerate that and some really can't. I mean, it's like a religious thing, you know,
It's exactly like a religious thing.
secular
It's
religion.
like a heresy in the